Hi everyone, I'm Ed Zimet, Buildings and Grounds Manager for Shakopee School District. I'm here to make a quick video on some COVID topics for the upcoming school year. We are asking the teachers and staff to help the custodians on some items to allow them to have the time to properly disinfect buildings at each night. We are asking the teachers to consolidate their garbage into one can and place outside their classroom each school day. We're also asking the same thing for the recycling cans. We are asking the teachers at the end of each day to stack the chairs on top of tables or desks. We want the seats facing up so that they are disinfected as well at night. Chairs can also be stacked on top of each other in a pile of no more than 5 high. We are implementing every other night vacuuming. This means your classrooms will not be vacuumed daily as they have been in the past, but they will be vacuumed every other night instead. Throughout the day, the custodians will be going through the building and wiping down high-touch surfaces. These surfaces include handrails, drinking fountains, plumbing fixtures, doorknobs, etc. In each classroom, we will have supplied alpha HP disinfectant, paper towels, gloves, and hand sanitizer. We are asking the teachers to disinfect the student tables or desks in between classes. To do this, we have provided gloves. The chemicals we use do not require gloves, but it is recommended for prolonged or repeated use of the chemical. Make sure the tip of the bottle is adjusted so that you're just getting a mist that comes out of the bottle, not a stream. You just spray the surface so that it's evenly moist or damp, and you allow it to air dry. Ideally, we want the surface to remain damp for 5 minutes. If the surface is still wet after 5 minutes, a paper towel can be used to wipe down the desk dry and then thrown away along with the gloves. At the end of their shift, custodians will be going through the areas and using an electrostatic sprayer or pump sprayer to spray disinfectant on tables, chairs, counters, sinks, and other areas that need to be disinfected. The disinfectant will be allowed to air dry. Once the surfaces are dry, they are safe to use as normal.